Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you how I prepare this tasty tiger nut drink, and if you want to know how I achieve it, stay tuned to the end of this video. For a start, I have here my dates and my tiger nuts, which I soaked inside water for 24 hours and I just finished washing it. And here are the spoiled ones I removed from it. So the next is my ginger. Yes guys, this ginger is optional. I decided to use it. I love adding gingers to my drinks, but you can as well skip it. The next step is to wash my coconut, which I just removed from the shell. So next is to just chop it into tiny pieces, like you can see the way I'm cutting mine right now. The reason is to enable it blend very well in your blender. Yes. So right now guys, you can see I'm done cutting the coconut into tiny pieces. You can see the sizes very small. Yeah, the next is to add it in my blender. So right now I'm going to slice my dates and take off the seed and add it to my blender as well. Guys, take note, you must make sure that that seed does not enter inside your blender while blending it, otherwise your blender will just get spoiled, because that seed is very hard, as in it's just like stone. So you must take note of it. Yeah. So for those of you that don't know the benefit of these dates, it reduces the risk of cancer and it helps to fight diabetes. So if you are not eating dates, start eating it now because it's very healthy. Before I forget, I will also tell you the benefit of coconuts. It helps to protect your skin, your teeth, your hair, and it also makes you lose weight if you are on a weight journey. So coconut has a lot of benefits which I cannot say all in this video. So guys, coconut contain healthy fatty acid, for those of you that don't know about coconuts. So guys, also I will tell you the benefit of tiger nuts. Tiger nuts improve digestion and it also reduces the blood sugar level. So guys, tiger nut has a lot of great benefits. So right now guys, I'm done cutting everything. As you can see, I just added it in my blender. I'm gonna blend it twice because the quantity are so much, so I divided it into two. Yes. And before I forget, without wasting much of your time, if you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. Please, let's be friends by smashing that red sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos. I normally upload videos on weekly basis. And if you are my OG returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. God bless you for your support. So that is it guys. And please, if you are new, don't forget to check out my other videos. At the end part of this video, end stream will pop out. Please do well to check it out. So right now guys, I'm blending the second one. So keep watching and hope you enjoy watching this video as much as I do filming it for you guys. And don't forget to like, share it with your friends and family. Keep watching. So guys, after blending, next is to separate the chaff from the milk. So guys, I'm gonna filter this drink twice. Yes, because I don't want to see any chaff inside the drink. So make sure you filter yours very well when preparing yours. Wait a minute guys, I think I'm forgetting something. This drink is so healthy that if you want to last long in bed, both male or female, this drink is for you. And the taste is something else. It tastes great, it tastes good, it tastes delicious, it tastes yummy. In fact, I don't know how to explain it. Oh yeah.
A few moments later.
So guys, this is the finishing part of it. I'm now serving the drink. I'm done filtering it, and you can see how tasty the drink is looking. Oh my goodness, oh my god. Okay guys, I just can't wait to have a taste of it. I will just add in a little ice block and I'm good to go. Just cool it off in your refrigerator and the drink is yours. See me enjoying the drink. Jeez, the taste is awesome. I believe I've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to share your thoughts, like, comment. See you in my next upcoming video. As of now, I am out. Bye.